Hey, what's up you guys? Your boy KriptoVlogs here, and we are back with another video. This video is going to be strictly about things that are going on with Knuckles. I still have not touched the turbo on Shadow. Shadow's still on hold, but I will be getting to Shadow soon. I got the turbo still sitting right here, nice and pretty, along with Knuckles' turbo sitting nice and pretty. But yeah, like I said, this video is strictly about Knuckles. I'm trying to make sure that that dude is ready for the streets and 100% running good before we finish this one off with the turbo and stuff, and then I could get into other details that I want to, that you guys will see. I have a bunch of stuff that I've just been hoarding, just like you guys seen on the previous video. I've been just grabbing stuff and grabbing stuff. The S4 parts are right here, the spindles, and I got the manifold for the GT35 and everything. So yeah, I got a lot more content coming. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys have, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you guys get notified when my next video drops. Now, without further ado, you already know what time it is. Let's get to it. Peace. Good morning, you guys. I got a little something that came in mail last night. I want to show you guys what it is. So let's go grab it. Way right there. Don't mind my Audi Sport custom made mask, and this is what we got. Take it to my room real quick. This will not be the first time that I do an opening or an unboxing, you want to call it. I think I showed you guys my turbo timer on the previous video. Uh-oh, something fell. Oh, this but yeah, let's get this thing opened up and see what's in it. I know what it is because I know what I ordered, but let's keep the suspense. It is DNA motoring. Oh, I don't know if I said that right, but we got the clamps, we got the hose, and we got the boost controller, the T-piece. That's gonna be next up on Knuckles. I have Shadow's, where is it? Right here. It's a RDT. There's a DNA. I got it around the same time that I got my turbo timer, because my turbo timer is DNA. So yeah, I decided to go with the same brand, and we are going to be installing this on Knuckles. Just in a little bit, not right now precisely, but in a little bit. But yeah, this is what I got. Boost controller on Knuckles. The reason I chose blue was because my inlet is already blue. The camera captures it. I tried to get some pictures of it, but the inlet's blue. Got a couple other holes in blue. My theme will be blue. Whoops. And yeah, let's get this sucker out. This won't take long. It's easy. You just have to get this out the way, and then you're gonna have to go into the wastegate line, and then just tap into the wastegate line and find a place for my boost controller, and it should be done. Then I should go drive it outside and see how much boost is pushing, because since it is a manual boost controller, I am gonna start it off with the lowest amount of boost and gradually go up from there. But yeah, back to it. With the GoPro, but just wanted to get a little bit more into detail of the boost controller. This is a DNA boost controller. So far it actually looks pretty well fabbed. None of these things, the fittings are loose like they were on the first one that I ordered from them. I didn't order it from them, as a matter of fact. It was RDT. This one looks in a lot better condition than the other one does too. And this hose is not the one I'm gonna use, but we'll see what we could use it for. I do have a couple other sets of hoses that I'm about to go look and see if we could bring that out, so we could use it on this. Now, let's go look for them. Come along with me. All right, so I need to get some hoses. This new battery that I got. This might work. Got a couple. We have Audi ones here too. I'm gonna take just in case. Yeah, I think this would do. Let's go see what we could do. Alright guys, so once you have over there, you can see my blue in there. Once you have taken out the 2 bolts and you have taken out the little breather that goes on top of the airbox, then you guys will have to go and take off the one that's connected directly into the turbo and the one that goes to the wastegate, which is where the N75 valve is connected. I'll show you guys what we're gonna do with the N75, and I'll show you guys how we install this thing. All right, so once you guys have the N75 valve off, comes with these 2 hoses. One of them goes to the wastegate and then the other one goes into the turbine housing. You guys are going to want to loop this. We're going to loop just this side with this side, and of course this one we're going to connect it back onto the inlet, and then we're going to do a little mumbo jumbo with this, so this could be controlling the boost rather than this controlling the boost. Let me show you guys what needs to be done. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the length that you're going to need to put on this T-piece. God damn, I lifted it. This T-piece clearly says here, arrow is pointed towards wastegate actuator. So this side is from the turbine, this side goes to the wastegate. You're going to need 1 piece of hose from this part down to the wastegate, and then from this side down to the turbine housing. Right after you guys have these hoses done, then this one is the one that's gonna go connected to your actual boost controller. One of them is for boost, and then the other one is just to vent out to atmosphere. So I'm gonna get these pieces cut up and get back to you guys. And as for the N75, are you gonna do like I said before? We're gonna loop it from this side to this side, or from this side to this side, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter. This one goes connected back. You connect your thing back on, and basically your computer reads like if the actuator, the valve is actually working. So that will avoid any cold cells. And yeah, and you can put the boost controller instead of having this controlling your boost. Let's get it. Alright, after you get that loop done, you gotta go ahead and place the N75 back on its place. Don't mind the top bolt that's preventing the leak. And yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and fix up our hoses for the T-piece, and yeah, get the sucker on. Alright guys, so we got one side of the T-piece on, the other side to the wastegate on. Now I just need to cut the hole so I could get the turbo side into the T-piece, and the boost controller is done. so we are done. We stashed it right there. Not really much of a stash, but easy accessible. Boost up, boost down. There. Looks like we got a couple more clamps for the addition. Lit. Thanks everyone for sticking around to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share around the video. Other B5 heads, other Audi heads, other 1.8 heads, whatever it is, this video will help you guys out. Regardless if it's a inline 4 or if it's a transverse 4. Connecting the boost controller is something that I guess a lot of people think is difficult, but it's not as difficult as it is. It's tedious because you need time, a lot of time to do it right. And I mean, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace. Alright, so that was an easy fix. Took out the old hose. Not sure really why this would happen. I'm guessing it probably slipped out and I don't know, probably hit the turbo manifold or something that runs hot and it melted. So I replaced it with some of the extra OEM hoses that I had for the rear valve and stuff like that, and put it back on the T-piece and everything, and yeah,